In this video, I'm going to show you how I turned this broken product page into the high converting machine. You will see conversion tactics responsible for over $50 million in clients revenue. These are the exact tactics that we use for 7 and 8 figure brands we work with at my agency. And if you stick until the end of this video, you'll be able to apply these tactics to your Shopify store to increase your conversion rate and how much you profit from it. So first thing we have changed here is the image of the product. This is how it looked before and this is how it looks after. What we have done here is that we have enhanced the product image with the AI so that it just feels more premium, more luxury, and therefore we're increasing the perceived value. So how much the customer feels like they're going to get when they pay your price. But for this type of product, just the hero product image is not enough. What you also want to have is images of other users wearing your product so that they can relate to them and finally place the order. That's what we did with other images. As you can see here, this is an image of a person wearing this product. And what you also want to have, you want to have the transformation image, which is the before versus after. Because if you think about it, everybody buys a product for a certain transformation in their life. So you want to clearly show what is the transformation that they're going to get once they buy your product, and this can be achieved very well with nice images. So you want to make your images very well optimized because this is the first thing that your customers see when they land. Another thing we have done here is about the announcement bar. You can see the only thing that we have changed between the before and after is that we have bolded this free shipping thing. When you have something bolded, it just stands out and it draws your visitors' attention to it. And especially if this thing that is bolded is a free shipping thing. So by bolding these things, it draws their attention. So when they land on this product page, you can see they see this offer, and if more people see that offer, more people will take the opportunity of it, and therefore you will get to increase your average order value if more of them use this offer, right? So this is a very important thing. The next thing we have done here is regarding the reviews. It's a good thing that they have had reviews above default, but what we have done here is that we have added a little bit more of the specificity to these reviews. When your reviews are more specific, customers trust them more because you're being as objective as possible. You're transparent. You're clearly showing what is the rating, how many customers, so that the customers can understand it. You also want to make your reviews underlined so that it feels like a button, so that when people click on it, they are scrolled down to the review section where they can just read all the other reviews, right? The next thing we have done here, and this is huge, is we have added the description and the benefit of this product so that the new viewers can actually understand what is the benefit that they're going to get once they buy this product. This is very important for the Facebook ads traffic. You want to have very short, easy to read description that people will actually read and therefore understand what they will get when they buy this product. We have also added these benefits that are in the combination in the icons with a short text that just makes it much more easier for the customers to read and understand what they're going to get in their life. Next thing is about the option swatches. They have the option to choose the curl. So what we have changed here is that we have added the option swatches here. This helps their viewers actually understand more easier what are the options that they can choose by showing them visually with the text instead of just having the rectangles. And it also just increases overall experience of the website, gives it more premium look, and therefore it increases the perceived value so that more people actually choose the right option and therefore proceed with placing the order. Next thing is about the length options. As you can see, they have these lengths to choose, but what we have done here, we have condensed that into the drop down because there are just too many of them. We have done that to achieve the real estate. And what we have also done here is that we have added this label for all these women that are just not sure what's the right size for them, so they can click on this and they get the pop-up which just explains it more easily what is the option that they should choose. If you have many options, some of your customers might get into the analysis paralysis, like thinking what is the right option for them, and for that reason you want to make it as easy as possible to understand the options and choose the right one for them. So as you can see in this part, the real estate of this before and the after is the same, but just take a look how much more we have managed to communicate in the above default section, which is the most important section. We have condensed some of the information like this one, which actually gave us the room to add more things that are very important to have on the above default to persuade your customers to buy from you. The above default section of your product page is the most important part, and if you want to receive my free trainings on how to optimize your product page and other parts of your e-commerce business, you can check the link down in the description to check all these trainings completely for free. Then the next thing that we have here, and this is a very important thing, is about the add to cart button. On their page you can see how the add to cart button just looks way too small, like an completely unimportant button, whilst is the most important button. So when you have the most important button, what you want to do, you want to make it stand out, you want to make it easy to press. So what we have done here, we have increased it, we have made it bold, we have made it stand out, and you can see when you zoom out how this add to cart button just stands out. You cannot miss it, and whenever you want to press it, it's just going to be way easier to just press on it and therefore proceed on the next step. Another thing about the add to cart button we have down here are these trust signals just below it. This technique is called the CTA anchoring. You're positioning your trust signals just below the add to cart, so when they want to press on the button, it just feels more effortless because they will perceive these trust signals that will reassure their purchase and they will proceed on placing the order. Then the next thing is huge. We have added the cross sell that is very easy to add to cart. When you have this type of offer where you are offering the free shipping on orders over a certain threshold, you want to show your customers other products that will help them achieve that free shipping threshold. So that's what we have done here. We have added another product that is complementary to the product that they're looking at, and therefore if they like it, they can just easily click on the add to cart button and it will add it to the cart, making it closer for them to achieve the free shipping thing. And the last thing we have done here is that we have added the social proof just on the end of the above the fold. This is important because a lot of customers will not get to the point where they can read other reviews. So for that reason, you want to emphasize and highlight some of the most important reviews that are tackling the main benefits. And if you show these testimonials in the combination with the image, with the real name and the real review, more people will see that. Therefore, that social proof will just give them that extra push in order to complete their purchase. So that's it regarding this video. Product page is one of the most important page on your Shopify store. And if you need help with optimizing your product pages, your Shopify store, and help with growing your e-commerce business, you can book a call with me where we will discuss how my agency Seven Ecom can help you with growing your e-commerce revenue and profit. And if you like this video, you can check this playlist in which I break down all these product pages transformations so that you can learn from them and apply to your Shopify store in order to grow your revenue.